Hey guys, welcome back. In this guide video, I'm gonna teach you how to download Twitter videos. It's gonna be the same process for both Android and iPhone, so make sure you watch it until the end. Now firstly, open up your Twitter and then head over to the video that you want to download. Below the download, you'll see a share button right here. You'll tap on that and then you'll need to copy the link by tapping on this button right here. After you do that, the link of this video will be copied. Now you'll need to open up a web browser for a third-party website. Open up a web browser and search for twittervideodownloader.com like so and hit search. Now after that, you land on this website. Now all you need to do is paste the link that you've copied to this box right here. Tap and hold on the box and then tap on paste and tap on download. Now after a few seconds, you can see that if you scroll down, you'll have different video qualities. Now if you want a high resolution, then make sure you choose a higher video quality. For mine, the maximum is 1280 by 720. So tap on download video and the video will open up again. Now you'll need to tap on the three dots right here and tap on download. Now after the video has been downloaded, you can now head over to your gallery and you'll see that the video now has been downloaded. So I hope you guys liked and found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want more of these videos, then make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.